Hey, what's going on, traders? If you don't mind, hit that like button. Don't forget to subscribe. Always appreciate the support. If you do have any questions or comments, feel free to leave those down below. As always, going to jump right into this. IC is what we're going to start with. You can see previous resistance here from the pre-market move that it made. Started to come up to it, and as you can see, it was actually a pretty decent move. Pre-market has set this little high here, 1325. It tried to get up through there, up to 14. Pretty much noticed that it was really struggling once it got to 14. Decided that if it was going to go up for that 1430 area, it was going to probably have a pullback first. So we jumped in, got the nice little flush down through 1350. Decent little trade there to start the day on IC. Next trade was on CCJ. Actually, our first trade was on CCJ, which was right at the bell. As you can see, I was looking to get a little bit more out of this one, but unfortunately, didn't really want to give it to us. But we did end up getting a little bit of take profit on this one. And as you can see, it was a good spot to get out because it got bought right back up on the same candle and ended up going higher. But as you can see, this thing decided to die off the rest of the day. So maybe had it given us the bigger move, maybe we could have trailed some of that down. No big deal. Next trade was on BEKE, which apparently was before IC as well. For some reason, I thought IC was our first trade, but it was actually our third trade. BEKE, nice little move up through Friday's highs. 1739 was the high. We hit it at 1734. Got a nice little pullback all the way to 1713. Had an order out actually at 1714. Got filled, and right after that, decided to go all the way back up to the highs. And again, as you can see, this one faded off the rest of the day. So SLQT was our last trade. This one was pretty standard. I kind of kept moving my order up on this one. I think we originally started trying to get filled at 119, but if we zoom in, I was trying to get filled at 119 if it made the pop from here. But it wasn't popping. So I kept moving my order up. It consolidated, started to go up. And so I was just basically moving my order up, waiting for the actual pop to get in. I wasn't looking to just kind of scale into this for no reason. We finally get that pop. We had an order. This was SSR, so we had to have an order out. We get filled at 126. It went to 128. And as you can see, it came down, took half off at 120, got the other half down here closer to that 110 previous resistance from Friday's high. So pretty decent day considering all four were just starter positions. Not bad. We did increase our size a little bit, which helped. And we're just going to keep moving forward. It's all we can do. We'll see how this works out if we end up having to build into a position, but pretty slow day. Nothing really took off. Sitting here watching this IC to see what it does. I really think it's going to squeeze here going into the end of the day. I think we're actually getting ready to do it pretty soon. It's just been going sideways up here at the highs for a long time. Just trapping shorts galore, looking for this thing to break back down. And we'll see what it ends up doing. But again, don't forget to like and subscribe. Always appreciate the support, and have a good rest of your day, and I'll see you tomorrow. Peace.